Today we'll discuss about refractive index. All transparent mediums in which light can travel have a refractive index. Its symbol is N and it is also known as absolute refractive index. Basically, refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in given medium. So before writing the definition, I'll try to elaborate the fact in this way. Suppose this is vacuum, and this is another medium. Let the another medium is air. Light is coming from vacuum. Light can travel in vacuum. It can enter into air as well. Depending upon the previous phenomena of refraction, one thing is very clear, that when it will enter from vacuum to air, the light ray will bend towards the normal. Here we are not supposed to look into the bends. Here we need to take into consideration the speed of light in these two different mediums. Speed of light in vacuum is designated by symbol C, and it is equal to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and this is the maximum possible value of speed of light. When it enters into another medium, speed decreases. Suppose the speed of light in another medium is a little bit less and its symbol is V. So what absolute refractive index or refractive index will be? The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in air in this case. And in general, the definition will be absolute refractive index, or the refractive index is the ratio of speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in given medium. So here we'll write the definition. The ratio of speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in given medium. Mathematically, refractive index is equal to speed of light in vacuum divided by speed of light in given medium. Given medium may be glass, it may be air, it may be kerosene oil, it may be flint glass, or any other transparent medium. So example will be the symbolic notation for this formula. First we'll write it. N is equal to C, that is the speed of light in vacuum, divided by V, speed of light in any medium, and here we have taken the example of air. So according to this example, we'll write different formulas for different mediums, like refractive index of air. The suffix stands for air, A suffix stands for air, is equal to C divided by VA. Similarly, refractive index of glass is equal to C, this is constant, every time it has to be 3 into 10 raised to power 8 divided by VG, where G is the subscript used for medium, glass. Similarly, we can go for other mediums also, water. So it will be NW is equal to C upon W. You can go for any other medium. It was a small topic, and you have to take into consideration that refractive index is a ratio of speed of light. numerator has to be vacuum always and denominator has to be the given medium. There is a discrepancy. You may find one discrepancy in the notebook, in your textbook, that is page number 175, NCERT textbook for class 10th science. In formula it is written that speed of light in air upon speed of light in given medium. So it can be air, but you have to assume one thing, that the speed of light in air and vacuum that is approximately equal. Then that formula is also correct. So there are certain important facts also about refractive index. The first one is all transparent mediums have refractive index in which light can travel. Second, refractive index is always greater than 1. As numerator is C, its value is 10 into 3 into 10 raised to power 8. Denominator is always less than 3 into 10 raised to power 8. So overall the ratio has to be greater than 1. And one more important fact is the maximum refractive index or the maximum possible value of absolute refractive index is 2.42, and that is for diamond. So that is all about this small topic, refractive index or absolute refractive index. Next will be relative index. There we have to take two mediums into consideration. Here the medium was one only, the another was vacuum. Thank you very much, and I invite your suggestions to improve the quality as well as the feasibility of videos. If you are going to give me the suggestion, definitely these are going to be reflected in coming videos. Thank you very much.